let's go to the next question. It says Brianna uses an online tutorial program to help her solve this problem. I've already worked this problem out. It says, which tutorial feedback should Brianna choose to use to correctly solve the inequality? Alright, right here where it has negative 4.5, remember we do the opposite and add. So right here where it says subtract and subtract, I can mark those off because we say add. Okay, and then once I bring that 9x down, I'm going to divide. So the answer is going to be D, because I want to add both sides and then divide both sides by 9. So I would work out the problem and then figure out which step you need to use, or what steps you can eliminate that are not true when you solve the problem. Alright, right here on this one, this model represents the inequality 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4. What is the solution set of this inequality? First of all, when we're doing inequality, remember when it has the less than or equal to sign, it is closed. If it just has that, it's open. Same thing here, open. But if it has the equal to sign added to it, we're going to fill that in. So it has negative 2. Remember, I do the opposite. What I do to one side, I do to the other. 4 plus 2 is 6. I bring the 3x down and divide the 3 out. And then 6 divided by 3, x is less than 2. So I'm going to circle in the 2 because of that equal to sign, and the x's are less than, so I'm going to make it to the left. So, which number line below shows the values of x that are solutions for 6x minus 8 is less than 4? Okay, I solved it down here. I have minus 8 because I want to leave that till the end, the 6x. I go plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. And then I wrote it everything over here because I ran out of room. I have 6, 8 is less than 12. I want to get rid of the x. I get rid of the 6 to leave x by itself. So I go divide the 6 and take it over here. So 12 divided by 6. X is less than 2. I got rid of this one because this is not even on the 2 on the number line. So don't let them trick you. Make sure your numbers are... If the answer is 2, it needs to be the circle, or the filled in circle needs to be on the 2. This one doesn't. Alright, this one is on a negative 2, so we could eliminate that one because we have a positive 2. And then x is less than, so we want to know that the arrow is going to the left, so the answer is going to be A.